Let's learn some colors name. Purple color, pink color, gray color, sky blue color, red color, green color, blue color, brown color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for flowers. G for glass. H for hen. I for iron. J for jelly. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching. Bye.